Okay, so today I'm going to be printing the Fillenium Malcon Easy Print Remix off of Thingiverse by W. Bruce M. Looks like it'll be a pretty easy print. So let's download the files and see how it goes. Alright, we got them loaded up in the slicer. I'm printing the two halves plus the pins. And he also gives you 3 parts to print if it's easier on your printer. I'm going to go for the 2. I sized them up 150% to make them fit the full length of the bed. Let's take a look at our process settings here. We're going to print 2mm layer height. I'm not going to use a skirt or brim or rafts. 0% infill. No supports. The PLA glow-in-the-dark filament by Inland that I'm using prints pretty well at about 210 degrees, so that's what I'll be using. Everything else should be pretty basic. Alright, let's prepare to print and see what it looks like. There we go. Looks like it sliced it pretty well. Looking pretty well. Let's save it and bring it up to Octoprint. Alright, let's get this thing printing and enjoy the time lapse.